What's up, you guys? All right, so I want to tell you guys my Arise story. So I had a baby, and in 2012 I was looking for a stay-at-home option so I could be with my daughter. And Arise kept coming up, so I was really excited. I was really hyped up, like, oh my god, I found this opportunity. I'll be working at home. So I started signing up. I started the process, and I just kept feeling like this is too good to be true. So I kept researching, looking at videos, and some people were saying that Arise is a scam. They were saying that any company where you have to sign up for training or pay for whatever expenses, that it's a scam. So that kind of deterred me, and that kind of discouraged me, and I never finished signing up for the program. So fast forward, throughout those years, I was having some financial issues, relationship issues, and I became a single parent. So I didn't want to be away from my kids, having to go to work and be away from them. And I was always looking for opportunities. So throughout those years, I was always signing up for different opportunities, and they were not working out for me. So fast forward 2018, I went back online searching for a work at home opportunity so I can be home with my children more, and Arise kept popping up, and this time they had a spot on The View. So I was like, oh my god, I wasted all this time, you know what I mean? Like, as far as like everything that I was going through, I could have been signed up with Arise and working from home all this time. It would have helped me. So I said, you know what, even though I'm not really sure this could still be a scam, I said, you know what, I'm just gonna go for it. So I signed up with Arise. I did everything that I had to do. I signed up for the training, and I started working on the phones for customer service for a very well-known, popular company. And guess what? It's not a scam. I got paid. I get paid regularly. I get to choose my schedule. If I want to take a couple of days off and take a vacation, a staycation, go somewhere with my kids, or if there's an event in my family, I don't have to worry about if I have sick days, if I have personal days, or anything like that. I can just take that time off. And this is all due to Arise. Now, is it a get rich scheme? No, it's not. You're working now already, so it's basically the same thing. And it does have a part where if you want to be your own boss and you want to have people, agents working under you, you can become an independent business owner, and you can hire people as independent contractors to work through the Arise platform under you. So it's really easy. Like, once you go through the whole process and you start on the phones and doing customer service and taking calls, when you look back, you're like, oh my god, this was so easy. Like, what's wrong with me? Why didn't I do this sooner? But up front, you will have some questions, because anything new, you know, you'll have a little questions, you'll have a little fear, a little doubt. But I will tell you that Arise is real. It is not a scam. You get paid. It's the same companies that we all know, very popular companies, and they need help. And you can help them from the comfort of your own home, and you can schedule your own hours. All right. So if you have any questions, click the link below. You can reach out to me. I have contact information below, and just hit me up. Let me know. And I am an IBO, so if you would like to be an agent in my company, hit me up. All right. Don't forget to subscribe, hit like, and comment. All right. Bye.